They raised the price by how much? What's up YouTube? If you don't know me by now, my name is Javon. I'm a CPA, and over here on this channel we talk about investing, finance, and we make it so simple that the everyday person can pick it up and understand what we're talking about without using all the big words. Today we're going to talk about American Express. So they have a new gold card that came out, and this time it's going to be white gold. So in this video we're going to talk about, is the card worth it due to the price increase, what are the new benefits, and if I recommend the card to anyone else. Now for starters, this is a card that I was very excited about when they announced it. I mean, look how nice the card looks compared to the classic gold. Me personally, I never liked the rose gold one because I feel like when you're out in public and you carry your card around, when you carry out the gold card, it just screams status symbol. When you carry around and pull out like a rose gold or a platinum, I don't really like how those look. Maybe I'm being too picky there, but when they announced that this white gold one will be coming out, I say, yeah, that one is perfect. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I did not like how it looked when it got delivered to me. So for starters, this is how the card looks. I don't know if you guys can really see this much, but I don't really like it too much. Like compared to the other gold card, the classic gold, I think I would much rather prefer that one over this one here. Now, it looks completely different in person versus when you're looking at it online. I will say that for sure. I definitely got catfished. Then I thought to myself, you know what, maybe I'm being too picky on the design. Let me see what other people are thinking. So I went online to forums, and you can clearly see that other people think the exact same thing that I do. So I'm not the only one on this. Now the card still has this nice thick design that everyone loves, but as far as the color, I'm not a big fan of it. I'll definitely be switching back to the classic gold, which AMEX makes so easy to do, luckily. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, this card also comes with a price increase. It used to be $250 annually to own an AMEX card, but now it'll be $325 for an AMEX Gold card. That is a $75 increase, and what benefits are they offering us to justify that? As you see here, AMEX is offering over $400 worth of value for their card that costs $325 a year, meaning that you should be netting about $75 or more each year that you use the card. So for this price increase, AMEX is introducing two new benefits, such as a Resi credit and a Dunkin' Donuts credit, as well as their two classic credits that everyone loves, the Uber credit and the dining credit. Now let's go over these new credits. Now, what is Resi? Resi is a website that lets you book over 16,000 restaurants worldwide, and you can pretty much go on there and book a reservation and have the website do it for you. Now the catch with the Resi credit is it's $100 per year, but you'll only be able to use $50 for every 6 months, meaning that from January to June, you'll be able to use $50 for the credit, and then from July to December, you'll be able to use the other $50. After you use your AMEX card at one of these restaurants, you should receive a statement credit within a week or two. Now with this benefit, I'm not too mad at it, but I would have much rather preferred if they added this to the already Uber benefit that we have and the already dining benefit that we have. For this, I have to look up on Resi.com and see what restaurants are even on Resi that I like. And if a restaurant that I like isn't on Resi, then I just have to pick another one. I don't think it gives me much freedom to choose. Now for the next benefit, this should be one that everyone in the northeast of the United States should be excited about. It's a $7 per month Dunkin' Donuts credit. This will be a total of $84 per year that you can use at any Dunkin' Donuts across the country or on the Dunkin' Donuts app. So ideally, you're getting about one free coffee per month. Now, what do I think about this benefit? Well, me personally, I recently moved to the West Coast this year, and if you know anything about the West Coast of the United States, you know that there's not many Dunkin' Donuts around here. So technically, I can barely use this benefit myself. Now, we do have Dunkin' Donuts, but when I am thinking about a coffee, I would much rather go to one of the local coffee shops around here in California. So this is another one that's nice to have, but it doesn't really move me. Now, as for the other two benefits that we all know and love, the $10 per month Uber credit, which amounts to $120 per year, and you can use this on Uber or Uber Eats, and they'll credit your account with $10 per month. For me, this is definitely one of my favorite benefits. I love getting this Uber credit at the beginning of the month, and it's just so convenient to have. Now for the other benefit that we all know and love, this is the $10 per month dining credit that we can use at Grubhub, Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, and now, which is now an update, we can use this at Five Guys as well. Now previously, this used to be Shake Shack, but they replaced it with Five Guys. Now I'm not sure why they replaced it with Five Guys, but I know personally I prefer Five Guys over Shake Shack. Other people may feel differently. And this benefit amounts to $120 per year. This is definitely one of my favorites as well. So already with those 4 benefits that we just named, you're already getting $424 worth of benefits each year. Now compare that to the $325 annual fee, and you're coming out on top. In another video on my channel, I already talked about all the points that you get for using the AMEX Gold Card. You get 4 points for every restaurant that you eat at, 4 points for every dollar you spend at the grocery store, 3 points for every flight that you book through Amex, and 1 point for everything else. I've been an AMEX Gold Card member since 2018, and I'll say it's still one of my favorite credit cards to use. I'm still not a fan of this white gold design, but that won't make me switch over to any other credit card so far. But I'm definitely switching back to the classic gold design. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any thoughts on this card and if you'll be getting it for yourself. Other than that, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it helpful in any way at all. But until next time, guys, peace.